Tough times don't last. Tough people do. We've all heard about this phrase, and there is no better time than today's time to demonstrate this attitude. A lot of people, during challenging times, uncertainties and limitations, become fearful, frustrated, and internally weak. But at the same time, there are people who emerge stronger. They build resilience. They become emotionally and mentally strong and experience mega success in all areas of their life. My name is Harish Sairaman. I have facilitated more than 1800 seminars so far. I'm a motivational speaker, a hypnotherapist, and a life and a spiritual coach. So if you are ready to experience how beautiful, how powerful and successful your life can get, register now for this free webinar and gift yourself these 75 minutes that can bring about a complete shift in your life.